Subscribe to Agile Neuro and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
So today we are going to demonstrate a fast phobia cure technique. It's called fast phobia cure. Now, why is it called fast phobia cure? Because it works very fast. Okay. Okay, so we are one of the most important techniques in NLP. Okay, so I believe you have a phobia.
Yeah,
Yes. What is it?
snakes.
Snakes. What happens when you see snakes?
It's scared, like the heartbeat increases. You don't know.
That's right. So phobia actually, as you know, is irrational fear, and so you're really scared, and the response is really irrational. Now, all phobia, you actually have a very good memory,
Yeah,
because in order for something to be phobic, you need to have that kind of memory. You know, the first incident when you saw a snake, okay, was not a very good incident.
yeah.
Like, you know, some people have phobias of lizards. That their first incident was, you know, some lizard falling on them, and it's like, so that creates a neural pathway in the brain, which is a phobic neural pathway, if I were to put it in that way, phobic. Okay, so whenever you see a snake, what happens is that entire neural pathway is again lit up, and then you have that phobic response. So phobia, as we know, is a visual kinesthetic synesthesia. So you see something, you feel something, and that feeling just continues. And then you're not able to separate these two things, and it's like, I don't want it. Okay. So I have this technique, which is the fast phobia cure technique. And would you like to get rid of the phobia? You need to ask. Sometimes, you know, I mean, whether they are ready to get rid of phobia. I think so. And I thought, no, I don't have time just now. Can I come back later on? Okay. Good. So you can do this. So I'll be working with you,
Yeah.
and you can do this entire intervention with your eyes open or with your eyes closed. Okay. In this entire intervention, you need not say anything, and that's the beauty of NLP. We just need to know the process rather than knowing the content. I just know that he has a phobia, and you know it's related to snakes. Okay, just that, you know, if you're not going to say anything, and if you're going to do everything with your eyes closed, then you need to give me some signs whenever I tell you that, okay, I'm done. Okay, so a simple thumbs up sign. Can you show me thumbs up? Yes. Okay. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay. So it's better if you do it with your eyes closed, because it works very well. So that, you know, you once.
Keep eyes open and speak.
You're not going to speak. You're going to be visualizing a lot of things, and because you're going to visualize, it's better that if you do it with your eyes closed. But it's up to you. Okay. Good. So so here's the scene. Okay. Imagine there is a movie theater, and you are sitting inside the movie theater. There is nobody in the movie theater, and there's nothing happening on the screen. The screen is blank. And so choose a seat for yourself inside the movie theater and sit over there. Okay. Now, what is going to happen is, I come over there and I take you, that is as if by magic, I take you out of your body, as if, you know, taking out the soul out of your body, and both of us go out of the theater, climb the stairs, and go into the projection room. Projection room is from where, you know, you project the movie. And you come in there with me, and then you see from the projection window, you can see yourself sitting in the movie theater looking at the screen. At the moment, there is nothing on the screen, it's blanked out. Okay. Now this is double dissociation. You are dissociated doubly. Nothing is there on the screen, and then you are dissociated from here. Okay. Now you look around in the projection room, and you find a lot of reels over there, a lot of movie reels. And then you see a reel which talks about Vikram's phobia, that is your phobia. That's a reel over there. Okay. Take it out from there, put it on the projection, that is that machine, and start playing it. But before you start playing it, make sure that you play this movie, your phobia movie, in black and white. Now remember, you are in the projection room. You are looking at yourself sitting in the theater, looking at the screen, and play this phobic movie in black and white. Okay? So when you're done, just give me a. Okay? Good. So I hope you've got all the details over there. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we are both of us are again going to come out of that projection room, climb down the stairs, walk into the theater, and then you will keep on walking and go. Now the screen is blanked out. There's nothing happening on the screen. You are going to keep on walking in the movie theater towards the screen. You see yourself sitting in the movie theater, and then you walk inside the screen, the movie screen. At the moment, there is nothing there, it's all blank. Now, when you walk inside the movie screen, you can see yourself sitting in the movie theater looking at the screen. All right? I'm not there with you. Okay, you are alone by yourself in that movie screen. Now, when I tell you, you will be the same movie is going to be played, but this time you are going to play this movie in full color. Okay, lots of music, lots of fun, balloons, colors here and there, a lot of happy things, and you're going to play this movie backwards. It's not going to be played the way you played it earlier. It's going to be played backwards with a lot of music, balloons, happiness all around, colors, streamers, as if there's celebration, and you're going to play it backwards. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
And you'll be a part of that movie. So when I tell you, start. Done? Good. So again, the screen is blanked out, but you're still inside the screen. Again, you're seeing yourself over there. Now again, when I tell you, you're going to play the same thing again, backwards with full color, happiness, music, balloons, everything. But this time, double the speed. Backwards, double the speed. Go. Okay, good. Again, the screen is blanked out. Again, I'm going to tell you to play this now. This time, three times the speed. Go. Screen blanked out. Now this time you're going to be playing this 5 times the speed, backwards with full color and. One last time, so that we'll make sure that the neural pathway is reversing itself. This time, 10 times the speed. Go. Okay. Now, you're going to come out of the screen. The screen is blanked out. You're walking towards where you're sitting, and then you sit at that place. Now your mind and your body and your soul are together again. Okay. And now you're back in the now. And then that's the end of the scene. Okay. So I'd like to ask you that you went through this entire fast phobia cure. How do you think about your old fear about snakes?
Scary. It was scary. A lot scary. When I thought of it, a long one, which was just imagining a room full of snakes. Just like the reels were actually snakes. Yeah, so it's quite. And then
I could see your.
yeah, that's like, and my mind was always wondering if like one side that screen if the snakes pops up. So and sometimes in those balloons, the snakes comes out, starts biting. Then like all kinds of snakes. So as the movie proceeded to the fast, the intensity of the snakes become lower and lower. Like in the first one, I could imagine myself as a kid, like watching what was happened, like backwards, and the snake went below my leg. So that soft feeling of a snake skin, and imagining that it's going to bite. So yeah, so for the first movie, when it came really really fast, and then only the colors left.
Right. Okay. So basically, the intensity reduces when you. So now, what's the science behind it? The science is that whenever you see something that that you're phobic to. So when you see something, there's a neural pathway which lights up itself, and then you have that phobic response. Now, what we are trying to do is we are trying to reverse this process. We are reversing this process so that the the entire neurology kind of lights up, and the same neural pathway is destroyed. We are actually destroying the phobic neural pathway, and that is why we are going in reverse. Okay, and we do this double this, like normal speed, double the speed, triple the speed, 5 times the speed, and 10 times the speed. You can do this as many times as it takes. In fact, if you do this every day, okay, as a part of practice, you just need to visualize. You don't even need a coach for that, or you don't need a therapist for that. But if you do this every day, maybe before sleeping, or after you wake up in the morning, then you'll realize that actually you don't have any phobic response to that. So you'll be okay. So it doesn't mean that you're going to be dancing with the snake now. Okay, little bit of fear is important. Okay, otherwise it hurts your ecology. Okay, so so you will be mindful that okay, I don't need to be too scared about something. I can protect myself, but yeah, it's okay. The snake has its own model of the world. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, and so good. Nice to use this technique with you. I hope let go to this Katrat Snake Park. Okay, and just check. I mean, just check what kind of a response you have over there, and then let me know what kind of a response you have. So I hope you've liked this structure, and I'm sure it will help you in your life. If you liked this video, you can see the subscribe and bell button over there. Just click on subscribe, click on the bell button, and you'll keep on receiving a lot of such interventions which will do wonders in your life. You can also log on to www.agileneuro.com, where there are lots of blogs, lots of videos over there, and lots of stuff is written about the psychology, coaching, emotional intelligence. You can check all of that over there. And of course, my number is there. So if anytime you want to call me and you want to discuss anything, I'm always there for you. If you have any questions, you can also post those questions in the comments section, which is just below this video, and I'll respond to you. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll meet next week. Thank you.